Alright, this is another building here at the Pacific View Apartments in Pacifica, California. And look at this. Got a home elevator here with inland buttons. You know, I wonder if this was modernized. I don't think so. The call stations are GAL, and they say elevator sales and service like the other one. But this whole interior looks totally different than the other one. And it's a whole totally different elevator. Like the front of the cab is like more modern looking, I guess you can say. But from the outside, they look completely identical. Let's go. Look. That's for the basement. Yeah. Pretty cool. There's no floor heater here, so there's not much to see. Besides watch the button go out, I guess. Very well running elevator.